Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how to make a lotus flower. Now it may look very tricky to make, but it's actually very simple and perfect for the table at dinners or holiday feasts such as Christmas or I guess Thanksgiving. And it also works with other types of napkins. It does not need to be a paper napkin like when I made it. This one can be cloth napkins or linen napkins or cotton or whatever, as long as the napkin is a square napkin. I want to give credit to my friend at school who taught me how to do this, and she's from Thailand, and apparently in Thailand the lotus flower is very famous. They always shape napkins into a lotus flower in parts of Thailand in restaurants there. So if you go to Thailand, you might see this. Basically what you need to be doing this today is a napkin, any type of napkin, any color, any cloth, as long as I guess it can fold, and the napkin must be square, otherwise it will not work. And the second thing you'll be needing is a flat surface to be creating the lotus flower on. Okay, let's start. So first what you have to do is open up your napkin so it is in 4 square quadrants like this, and now you have to take the corners of the napkin and fold them into the center like this. And now you have to do this for all 4 sides. Like so. And now your napkin should be still in a square, but now in 4 triangular quadrants like this. Now basically what you have to do is repeat this process. You have to take the corner again, and it might be a little harder this time since there's more folds, but you have to now take the corner and place it to the center like this. And do all the other 3 sides as well. And you know you're doing it right if it's like an envelope. When you're at the last fold, you can, it's like an envelope, you're folding it in like this. Now, just one more time, fold the corners into the center. Perfect. So now we are in the next stage of making this lotus flower, and now what you have to do is turn it around like this, so you still square, but you can't really see any of the folds or creases. And now what you have to do is fold a triangle, like kind of what we were doing before, but now into the center like this. And this time we don't have any of the lines. And now do that to all 4 sides. And that shouldn't be too hard. Very quick and easy. And once you have this, very good. Sorry about that. You now have to, here's kind of the hard part, you see this little flap right here on the other side. So basically you have to take this flap and you have to pull it up. But while you're pulling it up, take your finger and hold it right here so it does not, you can pull the flap up. So pull it up like this, and you should now have a little, what appears to be a bud on the lotus flower. And you do this for all 4 sides. Again, take the flap here and lift it up like that. Third side. And final one right here. Now we have some more of this to do. You have you turn this around here, and you can see there's more flaps on the other side. So for example here. So we take the flaps in the middle, and now we raise those up like this, always holding the other side so the flaps are able to come up. And now we do it again, always 4 times like that. And again here. And one last time here. And now we are almost done. All we have to do is do a couple more flap lifting, and you can see there are still 4 more flaps to lift. So you take these and lift them up. Right here. Right here. And right here. And now, basically, your lotus flower should be done, and if you want, it might not be perfect on the inside, you can fix those lines and maybe refold them a little bit to make it look prettier. And now you have a complete lotus flower. Yeah, see, it wasn't too bad. And I guess you can put something under this and put it on in the bathtub or something, and then it can float. So now you hopefully know how to create this lotus flower. As you probably know, it wasn't as bad as you thought. And feel free to comment on how this went below. And thank you for watching. See you next time.